Hello, my name is Dan Helsel, and I'm the designer of the Painter's Box. After many years of painting, especially landscape painting, I thought there would be something easier to work with, and this is why I designed it. You have 6 shelves to actually put in for your painting, and then you have a little rod. They can be removed and put into the refrigerator later for storage. You have your paper towel that's right at your fingertips. You have your brushes in a small container that all your clean brushes would go here. Your dirty brushes will go on this little shelf along with your medium cup. And this would be your brush washer. So everything is really incorporated into one little unit.
My name's James Solkowski. I've been a professional artist for over 30 years now. And I want to tell you about the Painter's Box because for me, it's so organized and everything is at my fingertips when I go out to paint the landscape. It's really perfect for plein air painting. And I have these 6 shelves with mixtures of all the colors I like to use when I'm outdoors. So I can just go from the paint, I mix it right here on the lid becomes the palette, and I go from here to here right up to the canvas. It couldn't be better. You know, my oil, I have my brush thinner, and for those who paint in acrylics or oil or water-based oils, you could use this as the pot for your water. So it works out for different mediums, and different artists have different mixtures they like to use. So the shelves are perfect for that. It's light, it's portable, and for all these reasons, I really like it. So if you go to jerrysartorama.com, you'll learn more about this. Thanks for watching.